Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a whirlwind trip to Egypt to explore one of the most iconic and enduring mysteries of the ancient world, the Great Pyramids of Giza. Standing tall for over 4,500 years, these colossal structures have captivated imaginations for centuries. Built as tombs for pharaohs Khufu, Khafre, and Menkaure, the pyramids are a testament to the incredible engineering and organizational skills of the ancient Egyptians. Each pyramid is made up of millions of massive stone blocks, some weighing up to 15 tons. How they managed to transport and perfectly place these blocks without modern technology remains a fascinating puzzle. Theories abound, with some suggesting the use of ramps, water channels, or even sophisticated machinery. But the true answer may forever be lost to history. Despite the unanswered questions, the Great Pyramids of Giza continue to inspire awe and wonder. They stand as a powerful symbol of a bygone era, a testament to human ingenuity, and a reminder of the enduring power of history. Thanks for joining us on this quick trip to Giza. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more explorations of history's greatest